The job market is changing fast. Degrees alone are no longer enough. The people earning the most today are those who know high-income digital skills they can use from anywhere in the world. The good news? You don't need to be a genius or have expensive equipment to start. You only need a phone or laptop, internet connection, consistency, willingness to learn. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, understand what digital skills are. They're the abilities you need to use digital devices and software effectively. Digital skills are abilities you use online to create, market, manage, or build digital products and services. Companies pay for these skills because they help them increase efficiency, reach new customers, and boost profitability. High-paying digital skills to learn. First, digital marketing. It's one of the fastest ways to earn online. They're earning right away. The demand is huge, and it's a great path to financial freedom. What you learn: social media marketing, content strategy, ads management, branding, email marketing. Why it pays? Businesses always need customers. Beginner tools: Canva, Meta Business Suite, Google Analytics, income potential, freelance, agency work, brand management. Every brand needs content daily. To stay relevant, you must create consistently. Video editing is essential to make it engaging and drive growth. Every brand needs content daily. It's essential for growth. Let me show you how we edit our daily video. We add effects, transitions, and polish it for publishing. This daily consistency builds your audience. Let's talk about key skills for short-form video success. First, storytelling. Hook your audience fast. Second, editing. Keep it sharp and quick. And fourth, YouTube optimization. Master the platform. Hi everyone, welcome back to The Voice. Today we're talking income streams. We use tools like CapCut, Canva, and Premiere Pro. Our income comes from YouTube, TikTok, and brand deals. We also do editing for other creators. Visual communication sells products, and graphic design is the key to making that happen. It's essential. Welcome to The Voice. We create stunning logos, social media posts, flyers, and thumbnails.
Let's look at some of our logos.
We also craft and grade posts to your brands at thumbnails
and these to your brand.
For tools, start with Canva. For advanced work, use Photoshop. Why does it pay? Every business needs visuals. Master these skills, and you can build a thriving business. Businesses need websites to exist online. No-code development makes this faster and more accessible than ever. It's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Get started today. Let's start with website layout. This is user foundation of your site structure. Next, this ensures your site is intuitive and enjoyable. Finally, landing pages. These are focus pages for marketing. That's it for today. Let's talk about platforms with high demand worldwide. WordPress, Wix, and Shopify are leaders in the market. Their popularity is skyrocketing, offering huge opportunities. Explore these platforms to grow your business. Copywriting is the art of writing to sell. It's about crafting persuasive words that move people to take action. In essence, copywriting is persuasion through words, turning interest into desire and readers into customers. Good writing is what drives sales. It's the foundation of ads, sales pages, email campaigns, and product descriptions. Companies pay well for it because good copywriting directly increases sales and revenue. Data analysis is a future-proof skill. Companies rely on data to make decisions. Mastering it opens doors in any field. It's essential for the modern workplace. Looking to boost your career? Learn Excel, Google Sheets, basic analytics, and data visualization. These skills unlock strong career growth and remote opportunities. Ask yourself, do I enjoy creativity or analysis? Do I like writing, designing, or strategy? Can I practice this daily? Step 3, how to choose the right skill. Ask yourself, do I enjoy creativity, analysis? Do I like writing, designing, or strategy? Can I practice this daily? Start with one skill only. Most beginners fail because they try learning everything at once. Welcome to The Voice. Today, a beginner's roadmap to learn faster in 4 steps. Step T, clear goals. This gets you and purpose. Review over time for long-term retention. Month 1 is about learning. Watch tutorials daily to build a strong foundation. Take Creativity structured knowledge and practice with small projects to apply what you've learned. This builds your confidence. Welcome to month 2, practice. This is where you build real skill. First, create sample work, then copy real projects for practice. This builds confidence. Keep practicing and see your progress. Welcome to month 3, the portfolio. Create 5 to 10 strong examples. Then post your work online. This builds your personal brand pages. It's time to showcase your talent.
Sounds like a plan.
Step 5, build a portfolio even without clients. Use personal projects or mock-ups to demonstrate your skills. This shows initiative and helps you land paying clients. Start building today. You don't need clients to start. Create fake brand designs, sample marketing campaigns, practice videos, and demo websites. Show skills, not certificates. That's how you build a portfolio and attract clients. Step 6, where to get paid. Start here. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn, social media outreach. Also, post your work consistently. Clients often come from visibility. Step 7, how to grow income fast. First, improve one skill deeply. Second, learn communication skills. Fifth, ask for testimonials. Skill plus visibility equals income. Mistakes beginners make: waiting to feel ready, learning without practicing, switching skills too often, comparing progress to others, and quitting too early. Consistency beats talent. Digital skills are the new career security. You are not limited by location, background, or starting point. The internet rewards people who learn and apply. Your future income depends on the skills you build today.